G'day viewers, well I decided to mess around. I can't seem to get that bloody Lucas heap of crap to work. And it was working when we took it off the tractor. The main reason why we upgraded it, because it was not charging the battery properly. You know, there's only a pissy little 30 amp as I was saying. And these 30 amp alternators are not very good at charging batteries for short work hours if you're not using the tractor for long. The battery ends up bloody getting weak over time quicker and shortens the battery lifespan. So decided to put the bloody VN Commodore alternator off that VN down there, which is a parts car. Got this alternator here, off that. Decided to bloody take that off, simple enough. This side shaft pulley, which is that one, just fitted on, it's bolted on with a rattle gun, so it clamps tight to hold this fan. I'm just going to redesign this clamp to tighten the belt up. So I just got this improvised red neck belt tensioner. Just a piece of dowel for broom handle, wedged in there. No bloody light bulb, and what do you know, it bloody works. It doesn't need a dash light. I was going to connect that in series, and nothing happened, so I put this one here, because one's basically how it connects up. You got your battery, ground, body, connected to there, ground, which is through that. I'll put a bolt or something here to clamp the ground to this one. Positive, which is here, going into your V positive here, the charge output. Two of them there, because one would have originally went to the starter motor when it was in the car. And I've got your L and S, or sense and load. This wiring lead was originally came out of that car. Anyway, so just came out in one piece and took the sockets out and just improvised with the wires I cut. So that just goes to there and that's it. This to me must just go, I don't know where the hell that goes. I didn't even connect that and it worked. So let's hook it up and yeah, we'll give it a good test. It does bog the motor down a little bit, but not as much as I thought. It's easier to wire these up than I thought. Okay, viewers, I'll properly connect it up. 12.78 volts. What wire is this connected? There you go, dash lights on. That brown wire here is your sense, or S on your regulator, and L is this white one which excites it. So crank it up. I can pull start it too. I didn't even take much to charge. Look at that. Doesn't need much to turn that over to charge at all. That's at no load. Oh, I'll make a motor, give the engine a chance to start. No load. Give it some RPM. Start the level over the ground there. And it's working quite well. Oh, there's got 3 volts. on it. It's the same size shaft. I just bolt that one there straight on it. That'll be better. The won't spin as fast, obviously, but at least the engine won't work so hard. There we go. Works quite well. I just realised something. Power off, and listen carefully. You hear a little wee squeal. That's the exciter wire connected to the alternator, squeals a bit. Take that off so I don't drain the battery. 13.38 volts. Yeah, it's a bit tired, this old battery, but she charged up alright. There you go, so that works. Beautiful.